It is October 15th, and I'm making a walking video of the Hopkins light rail station. Last year I went on the bike path and went on the one on, which is 100 plus on, and it doesn't look like they really have it complete. They got, last year when I was here, they had the railroad tracks put in. I don't know if they had these signs up. I don't think they did. I think the Kenilworth corridor is what's holding it up the most. Kenilworth corridor is holding it up the most, unfortunately. I'm just wondering where the bike path goes. I got lost around there. I went on in the part where they were building the trams, but it wasn't supposed to go in there. But I'm lucky a pig didn't stop me for that and got me in trouble. Looks like the bike path is actually going through here. That's interesting. They didn't have that last year. Oh God, they fucking didn't. Yeah, they got that now going through. It was on this side. It wasn't even really a bike path. Fuck, it's so fucking late. Oh shit, maybe next... Maybe next year I'll see how it connects. Well, maybe not. I'll do it this year. And just see where that goes. Yeah, I mean, I could take a Tron to where I live if it was only running. But they don't even have the tracks done. Especially in the Kenilworth corridor area. You could go to Union Depot, all the way to Union Depot. You can go within a couple blocks of where I live. That's kind of fucking cool. I just hope they get the crime under control by the time they get the Trons running. It's Southwest Station, which is in Eden Prairie. Yeah, it looks like that goes under 1 on. Or the same as 100 plus on. I'm just wondering where that goes. They had the machines in yet, or I doubt it, because the Trons may not be running for another 5 more fucking years. They haven't even got Trons seats where you can sit and everything. You can sit your stinky ass down on that. Oh God, that's disgusting. Yeah, of course they don't have schedules, or they don't have the ticket machines or anything, but it could be up to 5 years before they have Trons running, unfortunately. Well, maybe I'll just go up to about 1 on. It's getting fucking late. I'll see what it looks like along, because this was not in last year. It was comfortable earlier. It's getting colder now as well. I'm just wondering if it looks like the path goes through. If it goes all the way through, I know it doesn't, because they got a lot of detours yet. Yeah, I don't know when the fuck I'll have a chance to check this out again. There's such a short amount of time between when the weather's too fucking hot in the summer and winter. It's just unfucking believable. hope I didn't leave the... Yeah, I guess I didn't take the... Ah, fuck, I gotta go back there and get the... Maybe take some pictures. Ah, fuck it. Ah, God, I forgot. I wouldn't have said it anywhere. Or maybe it's not open. I think it is open. Last year it wasn't open. I had to walk around along rocks and everything here. Yeah, hopefully next year I can get yeah, it looks like it goes through to 1X to on. They had the railroad tracks in last year. Yeah, I know they didn't have this part. They didn't have the bike path part done. Well, next time we should try all this shit in one fucking day. Oh, there's a Tron over there. I don't know if it's gonna go anywhere. It's a short Tron. I just didn't know this went all the way through. I made some progress here. I also don't know where it officially crosses Excelsior. I thought it was on this side of 1X to on. Or the other side, I mean. Yeah, it's getting fucking late. So I'm getting stressed out. Yeah, trying to... Well, I'm glad they got this part done. That Tron is just sitting there. And if the bike path is going to be in here, I may as well... I could walk up, make a return video, I guess. I was wondering where this ends. Oh fuck, the fucking battery's almost gone. Oh shit, I'm not gonna be able to return video. Oh fuck. I gotta worry about that fucking battery. They're not charging, I hope it charges. The thing is 10 years old. I was trying to find a camcorder online. And it won't charge in the car. I had the same problem when I was in the Chicago area, but I thought it was the USB hub. So I don't think it charged the phone up either. And I plugged in a laptop and it worked fine. So let's hope it's... Oh God. Now I gotta fucking worry about that. Yeah, I'll just have to... Hopefully it can make it to the end here. I was wondering where this goes. They didn't have this bike path before. I don't think I was planning on making this many videos in one day. I'll have to find a day next October to do this. I'm just wondering, yeah, it turns there and I think it continues on the other side of Excelsior. If the fucking battery holds out. I hope it holds out. Shit, almost out of time as well. Now this video will only be in one part though. Oh fuck. Yeah, the bike path was on the other side of Excelsior with me before they started building the light rail trons. But they did not have this. They did not have this bike path built. I don't know if it's a temporary one. It looks like a permanent bike path, but they got to fix it up. Let's hope it makes it the other side of the dam up, makes it up to the that bridge looks kind of fucking cool. I only made about 5 videos. Here's a depot that's an old depot. This fucking battery holds. Trail detour map. Yeah, well it ends Excelsior. I'm not gonna cross Excelsior. Oh shit, I'm almost out of time anyway. Oh, a lot of this shit is just temporary. It's almost up to 10 minutes anyway. Yeah, I'm assuming the trail will continue over there because I had to stop the video. I'm so glad I have Asperger's. I make the most interesting tron videos in the world and videos in general. Nobody makes better videos than I do. People don't like my videos, fuck them. It's their loss, they're not my real friends anyway. People get to hear my spoken words in my videos of the chosen people, even if they don't like it.